If you a queen and king, put your hands up. If you a queen and king, put your hands up. Cause I'm back with another video. And today I will be doing a makeup tutorial. Yes, another one. But tomorrow I will be recording a video with my nephew. Or tomorrow. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And hit that little bell so you can know when I post another video.
It's been a week that I did a video, but I'm back and I'm better. And my nails is looking terrible and I'm like, I cannot do a video. I literally tried to make a video, but my nails kept showing and it just looked real raggedy and I didn't have time to get them done. So I finally had time to get them done. I hate them. I love the color, but I hate them. But whatever, they'll do for now. But today's video I'm gonna be doing a no eyeshadow makeup look, and yeah, it's gonna be a talk through video. And wait, let me go put some lotion on because my hands is ashy. I put some lotion on. My hands was looking real dry and ashy and the creases or whatever in between my fingers. I feel like I have this glow to my skin. I really don't like these lashes. Well, I like them. Like, this is what I used to wear, but I like came up with a new eyelash style that I liked. It's doubled lashes, but they haven't came yet, so they come Friday. So I'm gonna have to stick with these plain and by itself until my other lashes come, because I double them. That's why they be looking so full and so, you know, bomb. So I'm gonna be priming my face with the NYX Shine Killer, because I do, even though it's like, I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, like, even though it's winter time, like, I also got cocoa butter on my face, but even though it's winter time, I still get oily on my forehead and like right there. So I'm just gonna put it on the places that I get oily. Like, I really get oily on my forehead. And now we're gonna get into the foundation. And don't make sure your beauty blender is damp. And this is a Real Techniques beauty blender, damped and clean. Like, every time before you use a beauty blender, make sure you wash it, because like, just think about all the stuff that's adding into the beauty blender, like, and that also causes breakouts. So just make sure you just wash it. And I just used the Dawn dishwashing liquid. And recently I've been mixing these two foundations together, the NYX Born to Glow and the Maybelline Fit Me, my favorite foundation. This is in the color 338, and this is I'm in the color Nutmeg 16.5, and I've been mixing these together, and these been like, it's been bomb. So I'm actually gonna put it on the back of my hand. I don't usually do that. I put it on the beauty blender, but I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand today, instead of you know, just to warm up the product on your hand, just to, you know, warm it up, like I said. And see, these are the colors. They're different colors, but like, I feel like it's the perfect match. Like, it just blends with everything, with my skin, especially in pictures, like when I use flash. Y'all see how flawless that is? Like, I love these foundations together. Like, I don't know, something about it. Like, I just used this the other day, and when I was taking pictures, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, my pictures is really, they came out nice. So I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, y'all see how flawless that is? Like, see, you're so flawless. I'm not It had me messing up my words. Okay, so now what I use is the LA Pro Girl Concealer. I'm going to use the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand. So $4.75. And I do blend everything down to my neck. Like, blending is key. That's what I tell y'all. Like, that's the key to a flawless flawless makeup look. Number one is blending. A lot of my products, like my face products, are drugstore products, but they work flawlessly. It's just about how you apply it. And I'm gonna put it on my eyelids, even though we're not doing eyelid color. I still want to apply it on my eyelids so that everything is even. Now I'm gonna take the back of the beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend out. I'm just gonna blend right here, just to blend everything out to make sure there's no harsh lines, because we don't want no harsh lines. And that's the key to some bomb selfies. And using flash, and like if you go to the club or you go to an area where they might be, you know, using some flashlight or something, you want to make sure it's blended. You know, my hair's a mess. I'm gonna fix it after the video. And to set underneath my eyes, I use the Airspun translucent powder, and this is my favorite powder ever. Like my favorite powder ever. And I'm just gonna set where I put the concealer. And I use a Real Techniques brush. The whole video I'm using Real Technique brushes and Morphe brushes. And I just use this brush right here. I don't know, this doesn't have a number. Okay, so it's a cheek brush, but I don't use it for my cheeks. I use it to set the concealer. And you want to make sure you set your neck, because you did apply foundation on your neck. So you want to make sure you set that. Like, don't forget to set it. So now I let it set a little bit while I bronze. So I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. This is the powder one, and they also have the other one. And I use light to medium, and I also use a Morphe brush. And I love it because it's like perfect shape to bronze. I don't really do like the contour, the liquid contour. I don't know, it just never works for me. And this is my favorite blush. The Milani in the color 09, my favorite. Cause if you look at it, I'm about to show y'all. It has like it has gold and red in it. And I feel like it's perfect for a woman of color. Oh man, I used the wrong brush. This is my brush that I'm supposed to blend my whole face with. I used the wrong brush. So for my blush, I use the Morphe brush in the color, oh my god, what's up with me? In the number MB2. And it's really pigmented. But it's like blendable. Like I'm gonna blend that out. Y'all gonna see. I know I'm looking like a little clown. And like, if you ever make a mistake and like put a lot of blush, I'm about to show y'all like what y'all could do. So what y'all could do is go back in that bronzer brush or the contour brush that you use to contour or bronze your face, and you just blend it out. You just buff it out. So that you see how it like toned down a little bit, but sometimes I don't know, like look, if I'm not smiling, it looks like I'm smiling. Like I just love blush, and I love this blush so much. So I to be honest, I like to go ham with the blush. So I don't know what I'm gonna do because I got red on it, so I'm just gonna use another brush. I never use this brush. It just says large powder brush. Okay, I know this brand. Okay, it says that. I don't know how to really pronounce it. I'm gonna put it like right there, and I'm just gonna dust off. Ooh, wait, why haven't I used this? Wait, why haven't I used this? Like, ooh, this is bomb. To be honest, I love this brand brushes actually. I think I'm gonna order some of these brushes because I had got it at, I think it was the iMac. Was it iMac or was it, I believe it was iMac. I don't know. Yeah, I think it was the iMac beauty convention, and you can get a whole bunch of makeup from there for like discounted prices. I got 2 brushes from them, and both of the brushes are bomb. And a quick tip that I use, a good tip, is and I go back with the beauty blender I use to blend my foundation and concealer, and I just go in wherever I highlight it just to make sure, you know, it's not real powdery. Like that's how if you see me in person, like you'll see my face, like it don't look cakey. Like you'll never catch me with cakey looking foundation. You'll be like, yo, you know I have makeup on, but it looks good. I don't know if I contoured or bronzed my forehead. So now I'm gonna be going with my favorite highlighter. Like y'all gonna like forever see me using this highlighter. Like I don't think I ever gonna find a highlighter better than this highlighter. Like this is my favorite highlighter, the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I don't honestly think there's no highlighter better than this. I'm sorry. Like this highlight, the glitter, like just everything. It's just bomb. I'm gonna need to buy another one because my highlighter, it like fell a lot of times. I'm so clumsy. Y'all see that? Highlight looking bright. This is how bright my 2020 is about to look, y'all. Jeez. See, that's why I just threw it, and that's why it's broke. And I'm gonna go back in that blush. Use the blush brush. I don't know what's up with me today. I haven't did a video in a while, and maybe it's just like that's why. So then I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray, my favorite setting spray like ever. And I'm just gonna set my face. Okay, and I'm about to tell y'all right now, I'm about to show y'all what lip color I did. I don't know if y'all wondering, but I'm gonna show y'all what lip color. And I'm about to do my hair, cause sis, I said my hair is looking crazy. So what I use is I use a purple lip liner, and the purple lip liner I use is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. And I use it to line my lips in the color 940. And then I use the Rimmel London lip gloss to stay glossy in the color 130. I just love it together. Like, I've been loving this lip color together. And that's in the video. That's all I do. When I don't wear, that's my tutorial, the no eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and this is my face routine. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. It's time to do my hair because my hair is looking crazy. All right, thank you, bye. Don't forget to like though, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, hold on, continue commenting what else you guys want to see from me. This video was actually recommended, so keep recommending videos that you guys want to see. It doesn't matter what it is, I'm gonna do it for y'all. All right, bye.